There you go, guys. As you can see, hopefully it was caught on camera, what he likes to do. A few days ago, we shot a video where Bob was raising the legs on the rabbit cages. And he told you why, because of changing the trays whenever we clean them and dump all the poop and pee and all that jazz out. That's a daily thing here, okay? The standard height that they were designed to be is really low. This cage bottom, I can't even get my finger in between the top of the tray and the cage bottom, okay? These rabbits are pretty heavy. They're 10 to 12 pound rabbits. Their claws go over top of the wire in here and they hang down. Okay, if you just grab that tray and pull it, it grabs their toenails, which of course hurts them, and they don't like it at all. I wouldn't like something getting my nails either. But the females is bad enough, but the males are worse. The females just grab their feet up, shake their paws, and back up. The males, they like to spray. For those who don't understand what spray is, they try to pee on you. I mean, that's just blunt, but that's how it is. And this cage has not been changed yet. Bob has got a bunch made. We've got a lot of them in down here, but we haven't gotten to this part of our rabbitry yet. So I'm going to change this. And if you'll see his feet, they're probably a 1/4 inch or more down below that wire. So whenever you get it, there you go. Back up. There you go. Move. Move. Okay, we got out easy on that one. Put this back up and try the next one. Get back in there, Bucky. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Watch your toenails. Come on, baby. Come on. Hey, come here. There you go. Good boy. So you see how much extra time it takes whenever you're dealing with toenails. This is the one I always have to watch out for. He's the sweetest rabbit in the world. He loves love. He loves to cuddle. But he does not like his feet to be touched. And I don't blame him. Come here. Move. All right. It's not that bad when you pull the tray out. It's much worse when you put it back in. There you go, guys. As you can see, hopefully it was caught on camera, what he likes to do. And that's because he don't like getting his toenails. If you hit him once, or if you hit him 3 times, each time you get a spray. Okay, that is why he changed the legs on there. Okay, that's the standard. Let me show you the difference right here. Okay. This is just an inch difference This was the original hole. This is the one he drilled. Okay, now come up here in front of this. Before, I couldn't even get my finger here. Okay? There. Okay. No issues whatsoever. So much easier. Okay, I'll show you how much easier this goes in. No issues, guys. If you have rabbits and you're getting their nails caught, we go back over here to this cage on the end where it's easy to see. Just take the rabbit out, throw it in another cage for a few minutes, lower it by an inch, and it's a game changer. So hopefully that little tips helps somebody. See you guys on the next video.